Well, hi there, it's Nanette. So I just wanted to welcome you to my channel and I wanted to share a little bit about me and what you can expect to find from me. So I'm a personal coach, I'm an entrepreneur. At the moment, I'm a full-time artist and I have been since 2020. And I've been a creative entrepreneur in various capacities for the last 15 years. So the things that I want to share with you are the multiple ways in which you can create an income online. Various multiple streams of income. So you don't need me to tell you that in today's economy, you need more than one income stream. And I'm really excited to share with you, just over the last few months, I've been watching people make an absolute killing with affiliate marketing, with systems and things that you can implement very, very simply. It doesn't take a lot of time and you don't have to have any experience or any degrees or, any previous qualifications to do this well. So I'm excited to share those with you. Over the past few years, I've invested thousands of dollars into personal growth, mindset mentoring, business coaching, all of those things. The things that I've discovered, there's a lot of things that work really, really well, but there's also a ton of things that cost you a fortune and that do not do what they promise. So what you'll find on this channel are absolute things that I believe in with my whole heart, that I know will get you the results that you're after in a simple, effective way. So by now you might have heard by my accent that I'm South African. I'm living in New Zealand. We've been living here since 2016. And so South Africans are known to be pretty direct, pretty straightforward and to the point, and that's exactly what you'll find on this channel. So I won't be sharing anything with you that I don't personally love, trust, and believe in. So if you're ready to get started, grab the link in my bio or in the description below and check out the free digital marketing business checklist. So that'll give you a foundation to start opening your mind to just the multiple ways in which you can create an income online. The other thing is, if you're a faith-driven entrepreneur, you are in the right place. I'm a woman of faith. I wholeheartedly believe in setting up your foundations the right way, and you will find encouragement and just mindset coaching that's biblical. So I'm excited to get to know you better. I'm really excited for your journey as well as for mine. And I want to encourage you that please don't sit on the sidelines watching people scale and escalate and grow in a short amount of time if you can be in on it and do exactly the same thing. I've been watching just normal people, mums, truck drivers, waitresses, nurses, just normal people use this exact system and scale their finances to the moon within a couple of months. So I want to encourage you. We all say we wish we would have started sooner. The other thing that you need to know about me is that I am super skeptical. So I won't be making any recommendations if I did not do my homework, do the research, and really check things out for myself. So what I want to say to you is that this system works. I've been sitting on the sidelines for, I think I started seeing it about 3 months ago. So sort of dipped my toes in, listened to some podcasts, listened to some testimonies, followed some people who's doing the exact same thing that we're doing now. And I want to tell you, I wish I jumped in on day one. So that's my encouragement to you. The other thing that I'd love to share with you that's made the biggest difference in my own life is just you need to have a super strong mindset if you're going to embark on this entrepreneurial journey. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, there will be obstacles. We won't be able to avoid those, but I just want to encourage you that if you're here, I'm your biggest cheerleader. If you need encouragement, if you need inspiration, if you need someone to help you get unstuck, or if you're not quite sure about a system or how to implement it, I'm your girl. I have a superpower of keeping things really, really simple and getting people unstuck. So I'm excited for your journey. I'm excited for you to be here. And if what I'm saying to you resonates, grab the link and let's get started.